Nixon Hire safety videos. Visual guidance for the experienced operator.
Ensure you are familiar with and obey the safety regulations relating to this equipment. Always carry out a work risk assessment prior to the task. Wear suitable personal protective equipment. The operator manual and safety instructions must be read before operating this machine. Replacement operating manuals are available on request from your nearest branch of Nixon Hire. Only use competent, trained personnel to drive the equipment for the purpose intended. Servicing must be in line with the manufacturer guidance. This is displayed in the operator manual and your hire agreement. Never use any equipment which is damaged or defective, and never attempt to modify or convert the equipment. Check each track for defects. Check the track tension. Look for cuts or damage to the track. Check the drive sprockets and idlers for damage and debris. Check the drive motor for leaks. Walk around the equipment. Check the hydraulic hose condition, boom ram, dipper arm ram and bucket ram. Check the security and condition of the access handrails. Use 3 points of contact and show caution if the track is muddy. Check the lights for damage and operation. Make sure the bucket pins are securely in position with the locking face located and the correct safety clip in position. Never use nails or bolts as a replacement for lost safety clips. Replacements are available from your local depot. Quick hitches are provided on some excavators. These can be manual or automatic. Check the structure of the quick hitch for damage and that it is securely fastened to the dipper arm. For manual quick hitches, check for debris in the locking mechanism and that the jaws are locating correctly with the ratchet. Make sure the red locking pin is securely in position and the safety clip is correctly inserted. For hydraulic quick hitches, check the hydraulic pipe connections are secure and leak-free. Remove any debris from the locking mechanism and that the jaws are locating correctly with a hydraulic action. Carry out a visual check of the rollover and falling object protection systems. Cab units provide an integral ROPS and FOPS system. All glass panels and cab structures must be in place and damage-free. All bolted ROPS bars must be secure and screws, nuts and bolts must not be damaged. Make sure the locking pins are fully located and the safety clips are in position. ROPS and FOPS systems must not be modified. Make sure the cover is fully opened and secure. Check the engine and transmission oil levels using the relevant dipstick. Oil level checks should be carried out every 4 hours. Check the coolant level at the radiator cap or the expansion bottle. Only remove the coolant cap if the engine and radiator are cold. When removing the coolant cap, always unscrew it slowly and allow any pressure to escape before fully removing the cap. Check the brake fluid and hydraulic fluid levels. Loss of fluid indicates a fault in the system. If you require a top-up of any fluid, contact your local depot. Check for any loose pipes or cables. Look for any leaks or defects. If there are any defects with the mechanics, immobilize the equipment and report it for repair. When refueling, ensure the equipment is parked safely and is turned off. Remove the fuel cap and insert the nozzle. Wear appropriate hand and eye protection and do not inhale fuel fumes. Do not smoke or refuel next to heat sources. Do not refuel in enclosed places. Wipe up any spilled fuel and clear any spillages as they occur and stay with the equipment while it is being refueled. Close the fuel cap securely when finished. Close the engine cover and ensure it is secure. Access the driver station using the steps and handrails and 3 points of contact while climbing. Adjust your seat to the required position. If mirrors are fitted, adjust to provide clear vision. Make sure the fisheye mirror is in position. From the control position, ensure you are familiar with all the controls, then place the control arm into the starting position. Keeping your feet clear of any floor controls, insert the key and start the engine. Refer to the operator manual for the equipment type you are using. Using the controls, lift the blade fully, then track the excavator forwards and backwards in a straight line. Lower the blade to the ground. Make sure there are no obstructions, then operate the boom arm and dipper arm to full extension. Open and crowd the bucket, then retract fully. Check the boom slew, then the body slew, carrying out a full 360-degree turn in both directions. Complete pre-operation checks as required by your site regulations. Drive according to the conditions, the location and the local working instructions. Always refer to the operator's manual for the operating limits when using the equipment. Make sure you know the safe working limits for operating on a gradient. Track the equipment to the required location. Before operating, ensure that there are no personnel in the operational arc. Do not use the boom controls while driving. Never allow passengers to ride on the machine. Slow the cab in the direction of travel if reversing the equipment. When parking the equipment, always choose a safe location. Lower the blade and the boom arms to the ground. Leave the cab with the boom arm in the direction of the tracks. Remove the key when leaving the equipment. Always climb down from the operator position using 3 points of contact. Do not jump down.
Nixon Hire Safety Videos, a visual guide for the experienced operator, when you need it, where you need it. Look out for our other safety videos where you see the code, or visit our website nixonhire.com.